We learned that two tangents can be drawn from a point outside the circle. Today we are going to find the equation of the chord that connects the two tangents on the circumference of the circle. Here we have two tangents drawn from a point P0, x0, y0 to a circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals 0. The tangents touch the circle at the points P1, x1, y1 and P2, x2, y2. The chord that connects P1 and P2 is called the tangential chord or the chord of contact. Since we know the coordinates of 2 points of this chord, we know how to find its equation. However, today we are going to represent the equation of this chord using the point P0, even though it has no direct relationship with this chord. The tangent at the point P1 can be written as x1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c equals 0. Since this tangent passes through the point P0, x0, y0, we can substitute these values into this equation. So that gives us x0, x1 plus y0, y1 plus g into x0 plus x1 plus f into y0 plus y1 plus c equals 0. We can do the same thing for the other tangent. So this gives us x0 x2 plus y0 y2 plus g into x0 plus x2 plus f into y0 plus y2 plus c equals 0. So now I can see that the equation of the tangential chord is x0 x plus y0 y plus g into x0 plus x plus f into y0 plus y plus c equals 0. How did we come to that conclusion? Let's analyze this a little bit. We can see that this is an equation of a straight line since there are no x squared or y squared values. This equation satisfies the points P1 and P2 according to equation 1 and equation 2. Since there exists only one straight line which passes through two known points, this equation is the equation of the tangential chord. This equation must be derived and then only can it be used in your exams. So if we are asked to find the equation of the tangential chord, we don't need to know the points where it intersects the circle. We only need to know the point where that tangent is drawn from, and then by substituting the values into this formula, we can find its equation. Now for the tip of the day. Remembering all these equations and how to derive them can be hard since math students hate to memorize stuff. I suggest you to make a short note of each and every topic that we have covered and then just read it once in a day. This is enough to help you remember the method of deriving the formulas. This way you don't have to memorize anything. By reading it regularly, it will register in your mind automatically. That's all for this video. Please share this to your friends and ask us if you have any questions. Until we meet again, take care.